Hello, everybody. This is Francisco from powerstroke Diesel here in Gainesville, Georgia. Today, I have some great news for all of you powerstroke fans. I got something real exciting. Um, as I announced before, and if you some of you follow my page, you might have seen already that we are coming up with this new project. Okay, and this involves everybody that owns it or that wants to own a 6.7 diesel engine. Matter of fact, right here I got me one of these 2023 engines. All right. So this engine, it's the same engine that is on 2023 trucks today, um, and it's a beautiful engine if you ask me. Um, but the beauty of all of this is not the fact that we have an engine. The beauty of all of this is that if you own a 2011, 2012, 13, 14, you name it, up to a 2023 engine, and you want to get one installed in your truck, we will be able to do that for you. Yes, we are going to install a brand new, not a reman, a brand new engine in your 2011 F250, F350, 550 that you might have that it's spun a bearing or whatever it's done to it. Um, I'm very excited about all of this because it comes with two benefits. First, the first benefit would be pretty much you're getting the advantage of having a brand new engine that will have all the upgrades that had been done, because I know they've been done some tweaking on the heads, making the airflow better, and it's got steel pistons, which a lot of people likes that. The fact that they have steel pistons nowadays is a big plus to them. And compression ratio, it's a little bit different on that side, so it's even better. Um, yeah, so that's the bump. Okay, if you got a 2020, 2011, 2012 with a blown engine, yes, we can install a 2023 brand new engine from Ford that we have pulled from the assembly line to bring it to our shop to put it in your truck. Now, it's not a drop-in thing, so it's not like you can just buy it and drop it into your 2011. It's got some updates that might need to be necessary. For that, you might be able to see right here. This is somewhat most of the parts that we need. Um, some others I rather keep for us to decipher and deal with that ourselves. Obviously, the front engine cover is going to be different, so that's going to have to be replaced. And all of these extra accessories that you see right here will have to be replaced as well. It does comes from every kind of gasket that the engine needs. We're going to fit it with a brand new set of glow plugs, a whole new set of injectors, CP4 pump, bolts. We're going to help this guy with a new set of exhaust manifolds, gaskets, you name it, and all kinds of seals, clamps for your turbos, clamps for your turbos, and your obviously your injector lines. We got the injector seals already, so it comes with all of that. Can't forget about them fuel filters to keep this thing alive. And to help this thing, we're gonna go ahead and use our kit from SNS Diesel Disaster Prevention Kit right here. Okay, they're coming up with a new upgrade. Yes, we have already ordered some of the new pumps that they're coming up with. We're excited about what they're doing. I think that if we ever make that pump to work into this engine, this 22 engine behind me, man, we're gonna have the perfect powerstroke out there, and I will be building myself one for my own pretty soon. So without further ado, this is what we are. Power to Strokes Diesel. If you got a 2011 to 2023 engine that needs to be, freshened up. If you want to think smart, come call us 678-936-0279. Again, just to button it up, we're offering a brand new 0 miles, not reman engine Okay, a Ford engine for a 2011 on up 6.7 power stroke diesel. Um, if you have any questions, yes, if it's a pickup truck, yes, it also fits a cabin chassis. Now, if you want to know the difference between a pickup truck and a cabin chassis, would be that the turbo setup is different because it doesn't fit in those two variations. So as far as the long block, it's going to be the same. We can sell it however you want it. We can just do the bare block, the bare heads like you see it right here. We can go ahead and add the fuel system on it that will have, the pump and the injectors and all of that stuff. Or whatever you want to do, we can make it. We can have your own turbo. We can have a different turbo. It's up to you. Okay. So the options, what this does is it just opens up, the gate for many more options. The second thing, I don't know if I said it before, but I'm going to say it again. It's cheaper. Okay. It's cheaper to have a new engine than what it would be to buy a reman engine from Ford. So how we do it, call me. I'll tell you a little bit more of how we're gonna do it. Francisco Power Strokes Diesel 678-936-0279. Thank you very much.